This is for mathematical methods. It comes out of the 2021 calculus topic test, Tech Aloud, and it's question 1. So question 1 was a range of technology questions, and I'm going to do them all on calculator. So in part A, it's the derivative of x squared minus 3x plus 5. So x squared minus 3x plus 5, and I select that. Math 2 derivative with respect to x. Execute, there's your answer. And in the second one, the same thing except it is the sign of in brackets x squared plus 1. And I'm just going to select it, math 2 derivative with respect to x. And there's that derivative. The third one is the local maximum stationary point. I'd like to have a look at it. E to the x, not fractions. E to the x. Okay, open up a graphing window, edit, clear all that out. Take this, drag it down. I can see that there are two stationary points. There's a local minimum at 0, 0 and a local maximum here. Hopefully I can get the coordinates in exact form from here, and I can't at 0.54. So I know that it's -2, so I've got my -2. And if I come back up here and make a keyboard math 3 given x equals -2, four on e squared is the second part of the answer. The other thing that I could have done is I could have taken the derivative, make it all equal 0, and then solve for x. And that gives me my two answers of 0 and -2. And I know from the graph that it's at x equals -2. So therefore I sub -2 into the function. In part D, I need to find the maximum value of this. So I've got e to the x times the sine of x. Press X, make sure that it's all correct. It is. I can interactive calculate f max, f min, choose f max, and I know that it's got to be between -2 pi and 2 pi. And that will give me the maximum value, which is this value here, and that's all the question's asking for. Looking at E, I want the antiderivative of 14x minus 2 and there it is, 7x squared minus 2x plus c, and the next one, the antiderivative of e to the 2x and then plus 1 with respect to x, and there's that answer, a half e to the 2x plus x plus a constant c. In G's case, I want a definite integral, so I've got 3 divided by x. I'm going to select that. I'm going to go from 1 to 3 with respect to x, and 3 log base e of 3 is my answer. I don't need to put square units because I didn't know if that was an area or not. The equation to this at x equals pi, so I can use calculate tan line. So I've got the sine of 2x plus 1. Make sure the plus 1 doesn't go inside the bracket. Interactive calculation line, tan line at x equals pi. And that's the equation of the line. You need to put y equals. You don't put y equals, you don't get any marks. The trapped area between y equals 4 minus x squared and the x-axis. So 4 minus x squared. Let's have a look at it. Okay, analysis, G-sol, integral from the x-intercepts. I'll accept that one. Come over to the right, I'll accept that one. There's the area 10.666667, so 10 2/3. Put lots and lots and lots and lots of sixes, 32 on 3. And then state the gradient. So I'd like to take the derivative and then set x equal to 2. So I've got 3 divided by bracket x minus 1 squared. And I'm going to keyboard, take the derivative with respect to x. And after all of that, in Math 3, let's make x equal to 2. And xc and -6 is my gradient. Okay, so that's question 1.